Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com.
We'll be taking a look at this Ray-Ban model, RB3364 in color code 004/58. The color of this frame is gunmetal black. And the style of the frame is fashion wrap. On the temples here, we have a Ray-Ban writing in silver. This is the inside of the frame. This frame is made in Italy. The other side of the temple is the same. The color of the lenses are polarized green. And at the top of our lens, we have a Ray-Ban writing in white and a P for polarized. And a sticker over here as well. It says that this lenses are polarized. This frame also comes with a Ray-Ban gift box and a case. Inside the case, we have a Ray-Ban microfiber cleaning cloth and the genuine booklet.
Thank you for watching. If you want to check out these frames, make sure to check out Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.